Hello mga amigo, mga amiga.
So today I'm here with my son. Today we are going to configure our Dell R320 server. So Dale will guide you through the configuration of the server itself, from the installation of hard drive, configuration of RAID, and the installation of Windows Server 2019. Okay, so stay tuned as we do the configuration. Okay, nanay.
First, we will install the 4 different hard drives. We have 3 500 GBs and 1 4 TB. Second, we will configure it into a RAID or the redundant array of independent disk. I will also be talking about the different types of RAIDs and its advantages. Thirdly, we will be installing Windows Server 2019. So without further ado, let us install the hard drives. This is the installation of the 4 TB hard drive. Now we have installed the 4 different hard drives. This is where the 3 500 GBs and this is where the 1 4 TB. So let us now turn it on. There. Control R, no? We press Ctrl R to enter the utility page. Once you are inside the utility page, select VD Management. And as you can see, there is no configuration present. So we come here and press F2 and we create a new VD. VD stands for Virtual Disk. Here we choose, I need to configure the 3 500 GB into RAID 5. The total will be 930.50 GB because one of the drive is a spare or a failure disk. Let me set the name for the VD to be system. And we click OK. And OK. And as you can see, we now have a RAID 5 virtual disk. Next is to initialize. So we press F2 again and we initialize. We will be doing a fast initialization because this is a test environment. For production environment, we advise you to use the normal drive initialization. And okay. Now RAID 5 has been created and fully initialized. Next is to reboot the server and install the Windows Server 2019. As you have remembered, our RAID 5 has 930.5 GB. So we have to choose this as this one is our 4TB. And we will be using our RAID 5 next. Now it is installing and copying its Windows files. We will not share our password. As we said, it's only a test. We will finalize our settings. Bibigyan ko password.
So imagine the password.
Good for clips. Boring naman sa kung serious ang akong tanan. Hindi man gyapon ni. Good bitaw. Lang ka sa normal mura man gyapon. Pas pero we can live for a little few minutes of fun.
Ako kaya ang CPU ano nga ang kaha naman. Kaya hay libod pa yan.
Control Alt. It says Control Alt Delete to unlock. And we'll input the password that and there you have it. So, we have shown you how to mount the hard drives, configure the RAID, and set up the Windows Server 2019.
On our next video, we are going to configure the Active Directory, DNS, and other AD services. So please don't forget to like and subscribe so that you'll be updated on our next video. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Hello, mga amigo, mga amiga. Just, kitang duha ba?
Agay. Okay, kung dilo.